Welcome to tonight's chatting session. We'll be going through over the last trade which I took. Let's open the chart. First of all, let me remove these drawings. Let's go over the bias which I had yesterday. First, I hopped on a higher time frame. I daily checked out what price action I was doing from there. Yesterday was Wednesday. As you can see, price came in, tapped into this bearish order block and held it, displacing lower. This is not displacement, this is a retracement lower. Moved on to the 4-hour. Let me mark out this zone of liquidity which I'm expecting price to reach. Not today, I don't know when it will reach there, but I'm expecting price to reach there. Yesterday, price had already taken this external sell side during the previous day and formed an SMT over here with the US 500. This was an SMT at the lows. Price came in at the start of the day into this accumulation zone. Price was accumulating during Asian and London session. I was waiting for price to at least reach the 50% level of this week, which took out sell side, which was around here. These were the areas which I was looking at the start of the day. I marked out this level of sell side which had not been taken yet, got taken out after 9:30 open. Okay, price came in, took out sell side and formed an SMT at this low with US 500. There was an SMT at that low. As you can see, yes, there was an SMT. This was the SMT, and price was also holding this bullish imbalance, which added more confluence. All I was waiting now was for internal manipulation before displacement higher. On the 5-minute chart, there was this internal manipulation which happened during around 10. It was around 10 at the start of the 10 a.m. candle. The start of 10 a.m. candle came down, took out this sell side but did not displace through, and the displacement higher. This was the market structure shift. After displacement higher, I did not get a good retracement where I would take an entry. I was waiting for this internal sell side to be taken and also this imbalance to be filled, because there was also a 5-minute imbalance at this point. Price did not do that, continued to go higher. After reaching this area, there was a 15-minute imbalance over here, came up, rejected lower, price displaced higher, forming a bullish imbalance, which is this on the 15-minute, which can also be seen on the 5-minute chart. This is where I was looking to take an entry at this position, where price aligned with that 5-minute imbalance. After price came in and filled this 5-minute imbalance, waited for displacement higher and took my first entry, which was around here. Yes, my first entry was around here at this 1-minute imbalance. Took an entry at this position. Put my stop at this low, and I was targeting, the first target was this internal buy side, and the rest I was hoping to take them off at this external sales. The rest of the target was this external buy side. Those were the areas which I was targeting, which got hit. I think, yes, got hit. When I saw a rejection of this 15-minute imbalance and a displacement higher, I took my first entry at this bullish imbalance. Price came in, I was in drawdown, got out of the position around here. There was internal manipulation again. This was where I should have taken the next entry, and price went up, continued chopping, but it was still going high. I never got to reach to my stop. I also took another trade over here. I took another long position over here. I put my stop loss at this protected low, at this turtle soup low. And was targeting buy side. This would have been 3, 4, 5. This would have been a 1:4. Would have been a good trade, but I got out early. I had fear of losing. This is when I should be mastering my psychology and things like that, because I keep repeating the same mistake. I enter a position, it goes to draw down a little, I get out, and then it goes back into my favor. That's the problem which I've been having. I take way too many trades and get out of break even before price plays out. I do not trust my conviction that much. That's the mistake which I've been repeating for quite some time now. Since I bought this funded account, I've been repeating that mistake. Fear of losing, getting out early, and then price plays out. I would have already passed this challenge a long time ago, but I'm still at break even on the account. That's the mistake I keep on doing. As you can see, when the start of the account made a mistake, goes back climbing and then takes small losses as it continues to go down. This account is technically still at break even, but it's in $86 drawdown. Today I'll be looking for another setup after unemployment claims, which is at 8:30. It's currently 7:20. I'll be staying patient, waiting for the next session. Trading is hard, but I have to get past these mental barriers which I've put upon myself. As you can see, this trade, there's no trade that would have gotten stopped out, but I still get emotional. I act on impulse and get out early, but I live, I learn. Let's go over what I'll be looking for today, the start of the day. Let me hop on a higher time frame and see what I'll be looking for today. Price came in, took out sell side and rejected off of this higher time frame imbalance. we have had our change in state of delivery or the market structure shift on the higher time frame, which is over here. I'll be waiting for some type of retracement back into this for our bullish imbalance before targeting buy side. This is the level which I'll be targeting today. I'm still long bias. These are the areas which I'll be targeting today. Wait first for some type of internal manipulation at this larger time frame imbalance before targeting higher. I'd like to see this for price to retrace back to equilibrium. Yes, I would like price to come back to equilibrium, which is at the London low, and also take out this London low while filling this higher time frame imbalance. This is where I'll be looking for an entry. I'll wait for retracement, internal manipulation before targeting upwards. Yes, this is more clear on a lower time frame. Maybe this or this imbalance. I'll be waiting for one of them to get tapped into. Mostly this imbalance. That is what I'll be waiting for today at open. I will take a trade before market open, which is at 9:30. I'll be patient, I'll be patient, stay disciplined, and wait for my setup. Yes, this is the low which I would like to be taken. This will be the liquidity sweep, displacement, rejection of this imbalance, and rejection higher, taking up to buy side. This is what I'll be expecting. A move like this. Price coming lower, taking out this sell side, displacement higher. After sell side is taken, I'd like to see maybe internal manipulation before displacement higher and take a fair value gap entry or a order block entry before going to buy side, and target my buy side before going higher. Yes, that is what I'll be expecting going into the day. Let me hop off. Let's meet tonight after the trades and after making the chatting session video. That is all. Have a nice trading day.